Hey, what's up? This is Utskum Aksho Blackwater canoe. Just put some new wheels on it. With Motegi MR131 Traklite. Gotta paint my calipers next. I went with the Barum wheels. 225, 45, 17. So it's a bit of an upgrade. Next, I'm probably plasti dip my bumpers, my hood, and maybe my wing to make it all match with the new wheels. Let me know what you think. So far, all I've done was Takeda cold air intake, Skunk 2 catback exhaust, and Honda. So it's my new project car, something I just started working on. I had it for about 3 years, but I just now started putting money into it. Let me know what you think I should do next.